Hello, welcome back to the Motor House. My name's Chris, and you're looking at, I guess, the new wheels and tires. I mounted them, fitted them onto the car. The reds you see are the originals. Be nice if we had 4 of them, but we only have 3 due to the crash in the history of the car. That was with a 4th wheel that had to be modified by someone in order to keep the car to roll around. But these are final preparations before the car, we'll say the chassis goes down to get the accident repair done on the back. In a couple of days, I'll be taking it to that shop. I did take the front calipers off so I can get busy with them while the chassis is getting done. I have about 4 locations where bolts broke off that hold that held the wings on, and I tried welding nuts to them in order to get them back out. They just break it off closer, so they'll all have to be drilled and tapped and done. This is the only real rust area that I found. See, but I'll get to that down there too. So this is basically a short video, just some final preparations before I get it in the back of the truck and take it down later this week. Sorry I haven't been posting as frequently as I was. It's the holiday season, and happy holidays to everyone as we get closer and closer to the end of the year. And more of my time is needed to take care of things that are not car related at the moment. Hopefully when things slow down a little bit, I'll be back into the garage and pick up back to the rest of it. So for now, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and have a good day.